Speaker, sir, attention of the House is drawn to the fact that Sri Damodar Bhajani Sapta at Vasco is completing its 125 glorious year this year. Vasco Sapta is not just a fair or a religious affair, but has deep religious, cultural and social relevance to the port town and has become a part of Goa cultural identity. It has connected communities and has become a reference point for hundreds of temples in the state to start the practice of Bhajani Sapta in their villages. It is a request to accord Vasco Bhajani Sapta the official status of cultural festival of Goa, as it completes historic milestone of 125 years and allowed generous grants for organizing of the Sapta for celebrating its grandeur. Steps government intend to take in this regard.
Noted, Speaker, sir.
स्पीकर सर, आमचे मुद्दाम सांगपाक सोदता आयच्यान आमचो सप्ताक स्टार्ट जाता वास्कोचो आनी 125 हांव सगळ्या आमच्या आमदारांक सगळ्यांक कलिगांक आमचे 10 तारखेक दामबाबाचे आशिर्वाद घेवपाक लागून सगळ्यांक इन्वायट करता.